Hi and welcome to our coding course. In this course, we will learn to code step by step and make mobile apps in Flutter. The first app we will make is an app for anime fans. This app is your personal Chat GPT companion, inspired by Naruto. Just type in any question you have, and Naruto will provide you with an answer. It's like having a conversation with Naruto himself, right on your device. But for our first lesson today, we'll be writing a simple code that creates just the image at the center of our screen. Every complete code includes things we call widgets, which is highlighted in green, the widget named center, and properties, highlighted in blue, a property named body. These widgets are elements that you can use to build the visual parts of your app, like buttons, texts, images, and more. While properties are the features that define the appearance of the widgets we have written. Today, to achieve the image at the center of our screen, this is the code we will be writing.